Hi, I am PixelPia. Welcome to my channel. What if I told you that there is a software where you can create audio for a podcast, create video, or create vertical video, where you can get transcript to everything you do. You can add subtitles and text effects. You can add B-roll. You can edit from the text itself or from the timeline. You can download it as a full composition, as a clip, or as an audio file. And all of this is done in Descript, a software that I have been using for over a year now. And today I will make a little introduction of what you can do in Descript, but this is just a scratch on the surface. I will start a series of tutorials for beginners when it comes to Descript and everything you can do. This is really a useful and multi-level tool, and you can use it for free with certain restrictions or a paid version. It only works on a computer right now. They don't have a mobile version. That is right now the only drawback that I can find. But enough of me talking. Let's move over to the computer and look at what we can do. So here we are in Descript, and as you can see, this is one of the intros I have filmed. If you're looking at the bottom right now, I am filming this, just filming my screen with no camera, and it is transcribing as I do this. This is one of the advantages. It does the same if I had my camera on too. I can choose to film the screen with or without camera. If I have the camera on, it will be two separate files. I can use this part to edit. I can edit the timeline down here by, if I wanted to take out a part of my video, I can mark it in the text and just hit delete or backspace. I can also regret what I last did and put it back. If I need to edit the text, I have to use this. Let's mark a work there. And you see correct here. If I use that, I can change the text itself without it affecting the timeline down at the bottom. So that was a first little glimpse into what Descript can do for us. As I said, I will start a series for beginners when it comes to Descript. If that is something you are curious about, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified when I upload. And since I'm just ready to start this series, this is an excellent opportunity for you to ask questions or suggest aspects of Descript that you would like for me to make tutorials about. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Leave your questions or your wishes down in the comment section below. Bye!